When buying in Laveen, wouldn't it be wise to use one of Laveen realtors who specialize in the area? Who would know the area better or even likely have buyers for the area, but one of the real estate agents who has conducted a fair amount of business in the Laveen area? Hello, I'm David Baker, one of Laveen realtors who actually both works and lives in Laveen. When considering either a purchase or a sale of a home in Laveen, one of Laveen realtors would most likely serve you best. As a seller, your interest is in selling your home to a potential buyer. Would a realtor working another part of the Metro Phoenix area even have potential buyers for your Laveen home? Would another area realtor be currently spending marketing money to attract potential buyers for your Laveen home? As one of the Laveen realtors, I am constantly working with buyers searching in Laveen, and one of them may be right for your home. Laveen realtors will also have a far better knowledge of the Laveen area. Where are the schools, the places to eat, grocery stores, or even the libraries? Sure, once you've asked a question, another area realtor can Google the answers, but isn't knowledge of the area better? A lot of times, knowledge of the area will be shared that has significant importance to your financial decision. So make sure to consult me, David Baker, one of your Laveen realtors and area specialist when looking to buy or sell.